I am cutting the two sleeves together. So I have the fabric on fold. Yes, this is the wrong side. So for the length, I have 13 inches. So it's going to be enough, 13.5 inches. So it's going to be enough for what I actually need 11 inches plus 2 inches folding allowance. So I'll fold it into 4 now. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the biceps is 6.5 inches. Plus 1 inch sewing allowance. So this is the line we'll be working with. Upper part here, just measure 3 inches because it's a school uniform. 3 inches. So I have 3 inches here. So now from this line, we are going to do a straight line up like this. Just through a straight line up. So this straight line, rule a line up. So this straight line, just measure it like this. I have 8 inches. So divide the straight line into 4. You can divide it into 2. This is the center of the straight line. So divide it into 4. 2 and 2. So that's the center. So at the upper part here, come up by half an inch like this. Come up by half an inch, almost stop. Mark half an inch here. At this you can see this is the center. So at this quarter, come down by half an inch. So this half an inch, you join it to this center like this. So you will join this to this biceps, 3 inches biceps. You can see it's forming already. So you come to this place and join this center to this place. So this place, you join it to the upper parts. So you are done with the upper part like this. So I'm going to measure my full length of the sleeve. The full length is 11 inches. 11 inches. The full length is 11 inches. And I'm going to add 2 inches folding allowance. So you rule that out. So rule this one too out. So after doing that, come to this your main line and mark 5 inches. That's the round and add 1 inch sewing allowance. 1 inch sewing allowance. So this, from this place, connect it to this place. You have something like this. And see what we have. So instead of you to take it like this, you are going to just take it like this, because if you take it in like this while sewing, you have shortage. Just bring this like out like fish shape like that, and you can actually confirm what you have here. Because I measured the girl, you can measure the armhole of your client or your own armhole and confirm what you have here. So I have 9 inches. Our armhole is 16 inches, which is 8 divided by 2 is 8. So plus 1 inch sewing allowance. So I have my accurate armhole. So the next step now is to cut it out.